Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing top 5 hair care hacks that helps to promote your hair growth fast. So let's get started. But if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. Hack number 1. Take a bowl and add your regular shampoo. So to this add 1 teaspoon of curry leaf powder. Instead of curry leaf powder you can also use curry leaf juice. Now mix it well. Curry leaves are very good for our hair. It makes our hair thick, long and shinier. So use this remedy whenever you shampoo your hair. Hack number 2. Take a bowl and add 100% pure almond oil. Add 1 spoon of almond oil and 1 vitamin E capsule. Extract oil from vitamin E and mix it well. Apply this oil and massage it nicely into your scalp and leave it for 1 or 2 hours and wash off with your mild shampoo. Or you can leave it as an overnight treatment and shampoo your hair. It helps in conditioning your hair, and oiling your hair once in a week makes it healthier. Hack number 3. As a hair mask, add 1 spoon of curd and 1 spoon of lemon juice. Now mix it well. This pack is the best treatment for dandruff. Dandruff is the main cause for hair fall. So apply this pack once in a week until you get rid of your dandruff. Hack number 4. Take handful of rice and wash it once and add some water in rice and allow it soak for about 2 hours. After shampooing your hair, rinse rice water on your hair. Hack number 5. The first thing is keep your comb clean. After every wash of your hair you should keep your comb also neatly. And to get tangle free hair, just add few drops of any hair oil on your comb and start combing your hair. It's very easy method to get tangle free hair. So these are the top 5 hair care hacks that helps to promote your hair growth fast. Hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.